Unveiling the mystery. Blur the background. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in various contexts. Blur the background. Whether you're a photographer, a video conference participant, or just curious about English expressions, this video will clarify what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, blur the background, refers to the visual effect where the background of a picture or video is made less distinct and clear, while the subject in the foreground remains sharp and focused. This effect is often used in photography and cinematography to emphasize the subject, reduce distractions, and add depth to the image. But why is this relevant to you? Because it's a perfect example of how English can be visual and descriptive, using metaphors from art and technology to convey ideas. Interestingly, blur the background has transcended its literal meaning in photography and videography and is now used metaphorically in everyday language. When someone says to blur the background in a conversation, they might be suggesting that you should ignore distractions or focus on the main point. It's a call to concentrate on what truly matters, pushing less relevant details to the side. Let's put blur the background into action with some examples. In a business meeting, let's blur the background and focus on the key issue here. While studying, I need to blur the background noises to concentrate on my reading. In personal development, to achieve your goals, sometimes you have to blur the background and focus on your path. These sentences show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be applied in various contexts to enhance clarity and emphasis. To use blur the background effectively. 1. Understand your audience. Ensure they are familiar with the metaphorical use of the phrase. 2. Context is key. Use it in situations where the concept of focus and prioritization is relevant. 3. Combine with clear examples, especially when using it metaphorically. Pair it with specific examples to avoid confusion. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, blur the background, and how it can be a powerful tool in both your linguistic arsenal and your daily life. Remember, the beauty of English lies in its ability to borrow concepts from different fields and use them to create vivid, meaningful expressions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.